Okay, without using a solar charge controller, I'm trying to use a shitty 120 watt, they claim, 18 to 20 volt flexible solar panel without a solar charge controller, but instead using a 24 to 12 DC to DC boost converter, buck converter, sorry, to bring it down from the 20-ish to about 12-ish. Feeding it directly to a lithium iron phosphate battery, which is about 12-ish. And from there, directly to a USB 3 amp to charge devices. Because I find the shitty USB panels on controllers and on the panels never charge like a Samsung Note or even the little watch. So, I don't know, man. If you want the cheapest possible way to do decent USB, I would go this route. Get one of these, they're like $4. The battery is like $10. The DC-DC converter is like another 10. Free multimeter, or they're $5 at Harbor Freight, and then $30 for the quote-unquote 120 watt flexible panel, which I don't believe.